So students, all that you need to know about what taught is given right in front of you in these three lines very clearly. This is the ideal basic meaning of the term taught. Got it? Okay. Yes. Continue, Shanish, from here.
Long ago, talk was used in everyday speech. To- Today, it is left to the legal system. A judge will instruct a jury that a talk is usually defined as a wrong for which the law will provide a remedy. Most often,
Underline from here, students, this line. Yes. Continue, Shanish.
most
Excuse
often the
me, sir.
form of money.
Yes, Fatima.
Sir, here money damages means compensation.
Yes, you remember, you people remember yesterday I asked you to
Yes,
write
sir.
down a sentence. You paid damages for the damage done. Tushar, were you there yesterday? Tushar,
Yes, sir.
you were there yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Damages का क्या मतलब है? What does that mean?
Sir, 1 minute.
Taha, Taha, ये जो word है, if you see this word damages, this is not the plural of harming someone. It means paying compensation to the victim. Victim is the person who has felt the harmful act that has occurred, and damages are paid by the person who does the wrong activity, right? So everybody underline damages, make a star and write compensation as the meaning. Whenever in your answer books you forget the word damages, write the word compensation, और if you forget compensation, write the word damages. Okay, compensation का मतलब damage का मतलब नुकसान, damages का मतलब भुगतान. Okay, understand it this way. That's it. All right, since I am not supposed to be telling you all in Hindi, so kindly keep nodding your heads that you have understood, so that I don't have to switch the language. Okay, so all right, Tushar, continue, sorry, Sanish, continue reading from here. The law does not remedy.
The law does not remedy all the wrongs. The preceding definition of tort does not reveal the underlying principles that divide wrongs in the legal sphere of those
Exactly.
in the
Very,
moral sphere.
very important line. Who's going to tell me what does this line mean? This is the whole ideology behind which, any kind of law is based. Wrongs in the legal sphere from the difference of wrongs in the legal sphere from those in the moral sphere. Lotus, give it a try. What does this mean? Morality is being talked about here. What does this mean? Lotus.
Yes, sir.
No idea, sir.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, Shanish. Any day, definitely. All right, Lotus,
Sir,
you take the pause. Yes, Shanish.
the definition above is not dividing the principles between the moral spheres or the legal spheres. Moral spheres like moral values we usually have or do.
Exactly. If you can see the very next line, what does it say? Hurting someone's feelings
That's it.
may be more devastating than saying something untrue about the person behind the person's back. That is very true, right? If a student brings,
Like a deceased man, also a dead
yeah,
man.
yes, like a deceased man, like kids, like people who get their feelings pretty, like very, like hurt very quickly. So you cannot talk, like, even if you talk bad about a person who is dead, that is immoral, right? And even so, if you, like, talking behind the back is something else, but if you do something which is unjust and very hurtful to the person while he's alive, that is also something of a very, very deep gravity when it comes to
So,
morality.
de- so defamation.
Defamation is where you basically say something about a person which is untrue and it is something that makes his image go down the drain. Defaming is a word that has derived from the word famous. Like if someone is famous and you say something bad about him in society, he is defamed. His famous is defamed, right? His popularity goes down. So famous is the word for having a better image and going in the chart above. Defaming is the word when you start going down in the image lane. Understood? Okay. So till here is something that we need to know about what is torts and the morality and the legality of the particular law. Any doubt till here, students? Shanaya, Rochak, Tushar, Akarshan, Kritika.
No, sir.
All right. Okay. So if you people, let's. All right. I'll discuss this after the class. Okay. And all right. Okay. Okay. So who's reading? Shanisht. Where are you, Shanisht?
Sir, from Hatin.
No, no. Don't read from there. Now we'll directly come upon sources of tort law. Students, let me be very clear to you. Whatever paragraphs that I'm leaving out. For example, I left out this paragraph, right? Okay. I will be reading this one. I have left out till here. That doesn't mean that you people also leave out, right? This is the part which is basically a story illustrative part of the topic, so you need to go through it on your own. Okay. All right. So Shanish, can you read from here? Many acts.
Many acts like homicide are both criminal or torturous. But
Homicide, beta,
torts
homicide.
and
Students, underline homicide, underline homicide, and you people are supposed to find a one line meaning of this for yourselves. Homicide and murder are very close to each other, but then I want you to find out the meaning of homicide.
so
Taha,
the act of killing or murdering someone, but on a much
but beta,
greater
but that has Shanish, that has a very different, altogether viewpoint. That is why homicide and murder are two different things. Take a day's time, and tomorrow, like whosoever has come up with a viable explanation in one or two lines, you people can discuss it with me and the whole class as to what is homicide. Okay.
Sir, can I explain one more meaning?
नहीं तो अभी let's end this paragraph, then
Sir,
you tell
can
me.
I answer this?
Let me just finish this paragraph, students. Fatima and Shanish. Yes, everybody will get
Okay, sir.
everybody will get a chance. It's not a,
Sir,
I know you people know, but it's okay. I know there is Google Baba right now, but then let's read and finish this paragraph also. Now we are already a little late on time. Welcome back, Himanshi. You tried very hard to join the class. All right. So, okay, Shanish, continue reading from here. This
The
paragraph.
killing of one person by another is a homicide, sir.
Killing. Okay, okay. We'll come to that. Shanish, finish reading this paragraph. Where are you? Did you leave the
many
class or what?
acts many acts like homicide are both criminal and torturous, but torts and crimes are different, and difference is worth nothing.
Noting,
A crime
noting,
is
noting. Worth noting. Important से एकदम
is
less
worth no-
important ले आया तुमने.
is is worth noting. A crime is an act against the people as a whole. Society punishes the murderer. It does not usually compensate the
Pause,
family of
pause.
the
What does
victim.
compensate mean? Piyush, Piyush.
Like paying some money or something.
Exactly. I'm proud of you.
For help.
Let's move ahead. मुझे लगा था that he'll tell me.
A tort law, on the other hand, views the death as a private wrong for which damages are owed.
Yes.
In a civil case, the tort victim or his family, not the state, brings the action. The judgment against a defendant in a civil tort suit is usually expressed in monetary terms, not in terms of prison times or fines, and is the legal system way of trying to make up for the victim's
All right,
loss.
pause. So, students, why did I make Shanish read this paragraph? I left out the paragraphs here. Kritika, can you switch on your mic?
Yes, sir.
So, Kritika, what difference do you find out in civil tort law and criminal law? What is civil tort law focusing, which is not being focused by criminal law?
Sir, I'm sorry. Yesterday I did not attend the class, so I'm not feeling connected.
Okay, no problem, no problem. But I hope that like go through the chapter.
So I'll give it a read. Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, and if there is any doubt, let me know. Shania, do you want to take a try for this, or anyone else, Rocha, who's going to take a try? There's a little thin line difference between what civil law has its viewpoint and what criminal law. Fine, I'll tell you.
So shall I try?
Yes, Fatima, please.
So criminal law basically focuses on the punishment given to the criminal.
Yes.
Criminal law basically focuses on the punishment, and civil law basically focuses on the compensation which is to be given to the victim's family.
Shanish का mic on है. Shanish बता रहा खाना नहीं.
No, sir, it's Tushar Singh, Tushar Singh.
Shanish mic on.
पूछ लेती ना एक बार
Shanish. Yes, Fatima.
The Tushar's mic, not Shanish. Tushar's mic was on.
Tushar's mic. Oh ho, Tushar. Everybody's getting into a family feud for food. Okay, so yes,
So
Fatima is
criminal law-
exactly correct. Yes. Trying to make up for the victim's loss, Fatima, what does this mean? This means paying compensation.
To the victim's family or
Yes.
victim.
So now you people understood that civil law focuses on which people, which part of the party is hurt, and
Punishment.
and how they are supposed to be punished. That is taken up by criminal law, but in civil law, civil tort law focuses on how and when and what the party has to be compensated with. Okay? Khushi, did you understand this topic?
Yes, sir.
Avishi, Taha? Okay, Shania?
Can you repeat it, sir, please?
Akarshan?
Because in my net.
Yes, Lotus, I will. Lotus, what I was saying is like what happens in criminal law is slightly different from what happens in civil law, even if we are talking about tort law. See, you people must be thinking that tort law is dealing, it says that it's dealing with wrongdoings, so it should be criminal law, right? But then tort law is basically part of that criminal and civil law, which acts on civil criminal activities but then pays compensation, doesn't punish people like criminal law. What does criminal law do? He's a rapist, give him life imprisonment and 50 lakhs of fine, throw him inside the jail. This is criminal law. What will civil tort law do? That this man was harassing a woman on the road, right? The police took him to the station, thrashed him. But what happened after that? That lady's image was destroyed in the society. So the government pleased to the society that kindly cope up with the lady. She's having a mental breakdown because of such harassment in the street. And we request all her society and family members to take care of her, send her for a rehab, send her for a vacation, whatever the case is, right? And if her vehicle is stolen or something is stolen during that harassment, also money for that vehicle will be compensated. So what happened in civil tort law and what happened in criminal law? In criminal law, they directly declared the person as a criminal and threw him inside the jail. But in civil tort law, they are also focusing on as to how the victim has to be dealt with. How is the victim to be treated, right? Not just punishment of the wrong person, but as to how the victim is to be treated. So civil tort law students, write one thing, that compensation of the victim is a very important element. Kindly write it down. In civil tort law, compensation to the victim or the victim's family to make up the loss is an important element.